Number 6 says a store advertises that customers can take 25% off the original price and then take an extra 10% off. Is this the same as a 35% discount? And explain. So remember back in example 2. So look back at example 2. From the problem set, from the classwork. In example 2, it was talking about a 30% discount and then an additional 10% discount. And we said that 30% off and 10% off is not the same as a 40% discount. And the reason for that is because we need to do it in 2 steps. You're taking off 30% first, and then you now have a new whole that is applied in that 10% discount. So for number 6, when it says is a 25% discount and a 10% discount the same as a 35% discount? And it is not. So you can say no. So I'm going to write your response in blue. Because we cannot combine them. If you add these, it's not the same as that when they're applied to a certain amount. If you're just adding those percents, that's a different situation. So no, we cannot combine discounts in this way. They have to be applied in 2 steps. Let me turn that for you. So no, we cannot combine discounts in this way. They have to be applied in 2 steps.